Gold daily forecast, March 5th, FXEmpire.com. Gold markets did almost nothing on Monday, which is exactly what they did on Friday. It seems like we are simply trying to find some type of consolidation in this general vicinity. And that does not surprise us. We see the 1550 level as being the beginning of very serious support all the way down to 1500. We believe that breaking down below 1500 would be difficult to do. Quite frankly, it's a trend changing event at that point. And as a result, we think that sooner or later, buyers step into this market as we drift lower. Quite frankly, with so many central banks out there trying to devalue their own currencies, gold eventually will get bid. When it does, it should be an explosive move higher as we should see a lot of money come back into this market. Currently, though, we have the US dollar gaining strength in general, and that may be playing against the value of gold.